aboard America, here comes the freedom train. All aboard America, here comes the freedom train.
The freedom trains are rolling down 200 years of track, 200 years of glory, never to turn back.
The train is called America, your ticket is the dream that lit the torch of freedom for all the world to see. She left the station in Lexington in 1776